Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we are gonna be making a speed based license status checker using Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we are in our computer. Now to make this project we need two things. One is Python, which is our programming language for this project, and another one is PyCharm, which is the IDE for Python. You can also use Replit, the online IDE, but I prefer this because it's offline and you can save your projects as well. Okay, so for downloading the Python and PyCharm, go to your Chrome browser and search for Python download, and from here go to the python.org page. Just wait for a second, and when it comes, go to downloads and get the latest version. As I'm using Windows, for Windows it's showing me the Python 3.8.5 is the latest version here, so go ahead and grab the latest version. Then after downloading and install it. After that, search for PyCharm download, and head over to the first website you see. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, so we are here. So there are two versions here. One is community and one is professional. So this is the version we are going to be used because this is the free version, and I didn't want to go with professional, but yeah, professional is more functional than the community, but you have to pay for it. So go for the community version and download it. After downloading it, install it. So after you have downloaded and installed the IDE, get to the PyCharm. Okay, so after installing it may take some time to start in your PC. That's not the problem, but okay, so this will show when you click on PyCharm, and this is the starting IDE. Okay, so let it to boot up to PyCharm. Completely will show a line here, and the interpreter will load. Then click on new project. It may take some time, and we are gonna be naming this as hello world. After that, do not interfere with these things and hit create. It will take some time to load the components, and for creating the virtual environment, so we can code here, and this will get us some tips. So just cancel. I'm just going to cancel it. So next tip, you can show this, you can see these tips if you are new, but I have used it, so hit close. I'm hitting close, and if you are new with this interpreter, please consider reading the tips. So it will take time, so be patient to create its virtual environment. Okay. Mm, you need to wait until it creates the until it's creating the virtual environment. So wait for some time. Okay, now it's done with creating the virtual environment. Okay, this will give us a main.py. I don't get this thing, but it is giving us some Python script running manuals, but I don't need it, so I will close it, and in over here go to the hello world and right click. Oh, okay, so here you will find new, and from new go to Python file and say this project car dot py. So then hit enter. Okay, it will make the car.py project here, I mean Python file here, sorry. After that, hit on this project icon and the folders will be gone. Okay, so now here we will code. So the first thing we will write here is our speed, uh, what do you say there, let's say this speedometer or amount of speed, so we will mention it v. So v equals to let's see, okay, it's a number, so it needs to be integer here. So to make this input integer, we will say int, then give it a bracket and say input, and give it a bracket again. So in here you will write the thing that the user will input here. So here I will say this speed and give it a colon, then give it some space to write. Okay, I'm giving just 2 space, and after that you need to define the variable which is the v. Okay, so z equals to uh, v minus 70 divided by 5. Okay, so most of our viewers will know this math, so I don't need to explain it here. I really don't want to explain this thing. Okay, so then we will write a condition here. So let's write for starting a condition, you need to write if first of all. So let's say if, then v, which is our variable, equals to 70, then give it colon. So here colon means then. Okay, so if v equals to 70, which is the minimal number of speed for a vehicle or car and anything, so then say it will print uh, license. Okay, sorry, don't say license here. Okay, uh, you will say it's okay because the speed is 70 and this is the minimal speed for a car or something. And here we will write another sorry, another condition, which is L if. Okay, so for maximum speed, we write this math. Okay, if v minus 70 and give it a sorry, divided by 5 and give it a what do you say, that greater than equal 12. So this is the math used for high speed variable. Okay, so then write then it will print okay, then what will it print? That the license has been cancelled or license cancelled. LICENCE, license cancel. Okay, so we are pretty much ready, but here it's showing us some errors. What's the error here? Okay, so first error comes here. Okay, I like PyCharm for this functionality. It gives us what is error. Alright, so what's the error here? Oh, sorry, I forgot to give it / why is it not giving it this thing? Okay, it has given us / okay, now what is the another error? Click on here, the red line. Hey, why is the error? Show me. Come on. Okay, it is kind of saying that we needed something. Okay, so okay, it's showing an error again. What is it? Integer dot input dot. Okay, so end of the statement. What? I can't see this thing. Okay, I didn't give this thing here. Give it a bracket. I forgot to do that. Okay, what should be the error about? It's showing us multiple errors. Okay, so I don't know why it's showing, because I have written the code in the right way. So why would it show like this? Okay, let's run it here. What? Oh, sorry, it's running our main script here. So head over to run and run. Okay, it's asking for carbonization, but this is the file we wanna run. Okay, it said syntax error. Well, oh, I found it. No, why? Oh, sorry. Say less than and then equal. Yep, no errors. So get it again. Oh yes, it's asking beautifully. So let's type 70 and say what does it say. Okay, then I will. Okay, so then I will rerun it again, and let's ask for, how about let's over 60. What does it tell? It's okay. So now let's go beyond 70, like, oh sorry, rerun it and say how about 120. Well, let's see, license cancel. Yeah, that's worked perfectly. So